the battery. The project is completed. Now let's go for testing. Testing process. Testing process. Testing. Let's see. It's subjected to the sun. So now we are going to put on board. Charger connected. Can you see? Charger connected. It's charging. The project is complete. Now charging. Done. Charger disconnected. Fix it. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Yeah. I just wait and see. You see, it's charging.